Hi, good day, doctor. My name is Paisy. This is my progression presentation video of my final year project. My title is Optimization of Bokashi Composting Process Using Effective Microorganisms 1 in Smart Composting Bin. My supervisor is Dr. Liana and my co-supervisor is Dr. Suryani. These are my research objectives. The first objective is to analyze the NPK value of the banana peels from different amount of effective microorganisms 1 by using Bokashi composting method. The second is to develop and fabricate the smart composting bin by including the IoT concept to improve the fermentation rate and composting quality. Why it's called smart composting bin? Because it consists of soil moisture sensor, humidity and temperature sensor as well as water level sensor. The sensor will monitor the enclosed system of the fermentation process in the bokashi bin. So the data of the sensor will collected and logged to the Google Sheet periodically every 1 hour. So the data will be used to analyze the fermentation condition by using different amount of EM. So these are my prototype design. So you can see here's housing panel, control panel for my Arduino. Then a bokashi brand holder like funnel shape will hold for my bokashi brand. Then next is here is the door for me to throw the organic waste, and the door is closed properly to ensure the system is enclosed. The ultrasonic sensor will be located behind the bin, behind the cover. So the ultrasonic sensor will detect the distance of the organic waste. If every 2 to 3 cm, the bokashi brand will straight away sprinkle on the organic waste. So DHT11 sensor is used to detect the temperature and humidity of the bin. Then here's the here's the blade to help me to sprinkle the bokashi brand evenly on top of the organic waste. All the action is held by using the DC motor, and for moisture sensor is directly attached on the organic waste to detect the moisture content. And next, the water level will be located at the bottom of the bin to detect whether there's bokashi tea producing during the bokashi composting process. If there's bokashi tea, so I have to drain it off. So here's my flow of composting bin. Then first I will insert the household waste, which is my banana peels. Then I will switch on the smart bin, switch on the Arduino. First, the DHT11 will detect the temperature and humidity condition of the bin. Then soil moisture sensor will detect the moisture content. Water level will detect the liquid bokashi level. And RTC is like timekeeper, so it will activate the Wi-Fi shield every hour. So the Wi-Fi shield will sense the sensor data collected to and collect to Google Sheet for record purpose. This is my methodology. So I would use different amount of effective microorganism 1. So commonly 22 ml of EM is used, like I search in article or journal. So usually they use 22 ml. So these are my moisture content after I producing using this formulation of the bokashi brand. So this is my method to produce the bokashi composting. Now I already reached the final step. Then I already buried in the soil for 3 weeks. And I already sent my sample to the private lab, waiting for the result. So the result that I will test is for nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, and CN ratio. The turnover time is around 3 weeks, so maybe this week I can collect it. So this is my result. I will having this kind of result. So the result shows that the highest value of the results, and then this is the most optimum formulation for the bokashi brands to produce the highest nutrients value of the soil. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.